Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss our future videos about money, investments, and the digital economy. You guys know I love finding crazy ways to make money, right? Well, today we're diving into the world of NFTs. I'm talking digital art, collectibles, virtual real estate, things selling for millions of dollars. Ever wished you could turn your gaming skills or creative talents into serious cash? That's what we're talking about today. We're going to break down exactly what NFTs are, why people are going nuts over them, and most importantly, how you can potentially use them to build your own wealth. Get ready, because things are about to get wild. Alright, let's start with the basics. NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. Sounds kind of complicated, right? But trust me, it's actually pretty simple. First up, non-fungible. Basically it means something is one of a kind, totally unique. Think of it like a rare Pokemon card, a signed first edition of your favorite book, or even my hat. You can't just swap it out for something identical. Now, for the token part. This means the NFT exists digitally on something called a blockchain. Think of the blockchain like a giant super secure online ledger that keeps track of who owns what. It's like the ultimate proof of ownership. So, imagine you've got this awesome piece of digital art. Anyone could just right-click and save a copy, right? But with an NFT, you don't just own a copy of the picture, you own the original digital certificate saying, "This is the one." And just like that super rare Pokemon card or a famous painting can be worth a ton, digital assets can now have crazy value too, all thanks to NFTs. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Why are people spending thousands, sometimes millions on these digital things? I get it. It sounds crazy, but there are actually some solid reasons. First off, rarity and ownership. Some NFTs are super limited edition, like only 10 or 100 ever made. Owning one is like being part of an exclusive club. It's like owning the only copy of that awesome video game you and your friends used to play growing up. But NFTs aren't just about art. Some NFTs have real utility. Think special items in video games, access to exclusive online communities, or even unlocking unique experiences in the real world. It's like having a backstage pass to your favorite band's concert, just digitally. And here's the thing, investors are buying NFTs hoping their value will skyrocket over time. Just like people invest in real estate or stocks, they see NFTs as a potential gold mine. I mean, who wouldn't want to turn a few bucks into a fortune? Alright, here's the part you've been waiting for. How to actually make money with NFTs. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech genius or a millionaire to get started. The first way is called flipping. It's like flipping houses, but way cooler. Basically, you buy NFTs when they're new or undervalued, then sell them later when their value goes up. Think of it like finding a hidden treasure at a garage sale and selling it for a fortune. Next up, we've got creating your own NFTs. Are you an artist, musician, or even a meme lord? Turn your awesome creations into NFTs and sell them on marketplaces like OpenSea or Rarible. You'll even earn royalties every time your NFT is sold. It's like having your own digital art empire. And for all my gamers out there, games like Decentraland and The Sandbox let you buy and sell virtual land and other in-game items as NFTs. It's like owning a piece of your favorite video game. Crazy, right? But remember, just like any investment, NFTs have risks. Their value can go up or down, so always do your research, invest carefully, and never spend more than you can afford to lose. Getting started with NFTs is easier than you think. It's like setting up a social media account, just with way more potential for profit. First things first, you'll need a crypto wallet. This is where you'll store your NFTs and your cryptocurrency. Think of it like your digital art vault. MetaMask is a popular choice, and it's super easy to set up. Speaking of cryptocurrency, you'll need some ETH, Ethereum, to buy most NFTs. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. You can buy ETH on cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. Now for the fun part, browsing and buying NFTs. Websites like OpenSea, Rarible, and SuperRare are like the eBay of NFTs. You can find everything from digital art and collectibles to virtual real estate and more. Just remember, always do your research before hitting that buy button. Look for projects with strong communities, talented creators, and real utility. And who knows, you might just stumble upon the next big thing. So there you have it, NFTs in a nutshell. Whether you're an artist, a gamer, or an investor, NFTs offer new and exciting ways to create wealth. Just remember, invest carefully. Never spend more than you can afford to lose. Do your research. Learn about the NFT projects you're buying. Let me know in the comments. Do you think NFTs are the future? Are you already buying or creating them? I'd love to hear from you. And hey, if you're brave enough to buy an NFT after this video, tell me which one you got. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos that make finance simple and fun.